Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back. This is a video update. In this video we'll try to take care of this. Hope you can see that. That is the fuel icon. You see it's flashing. Usually when you see that, that is an indication that there is water in the system, and you take care of that by draining the fuel filter through here. You see that? But I don't want to do that here so that it won't make a mess. Going to take the entire fuel assembly out, including the lift pump. So first things first, disconnect terminal, battery terminal, okay? Disconnect this, okay? And this is to remove, okay? Remove the other one as well, okay? Now we can finally pull this entire assembly out. I'll show you. See that? You need to pry that a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Okay, pry it just a little while trying to pull it upwards. Okay. Okay, so there's our fuel filter and lift pump assembly. Now we need to disconnect this, okay? Hold on. Okay. So normally this is just what you need to do to drain the filter, see? That's all you have to do, but see? You saw all that dirt that came out? Okay. But I still want to check the fuel filter. Just undo this and hold on. Look at all that dirt inside. So these are fuel filter and it's very dirty. We need to replace this. That's why I didn't just want to drain it through here, okay? Trying to bleed some of the water or dirt out of the fuel tank, should there be any. So far, if you can see through the clear hose, it looks like clean diesel. Okay, so I managed to clean the fuel filter housing as best I can. Let's first verify if the lift pump is still working, okay? The way you do this, press here, put your finger here, and it should suck your finger, release, and it's working. Again, see? Again. Okay, so it's working. Managed to buy a new fuel filter, okay? This is the old one. This bigger O-ring, we need to replace this. Okay, just like that. Okay, put a double diesel on the O-rings, okay, here as well. Okay, so press it back in. Make sure to press it all the way in, making sure that the O-ring has sit before you even bother to screw this, okay? Okay, so let's try to tighten that just by hand. Okay, so that's enough. Click this back on and let's install this back on the vehicle. Okay, so reconnect this. And then just insert the fuel filter housing back on. Just slide it down, and that's going nowhere. Reconnect the hoses here as well. Install the clamps. Reconnect this. Okay. fuel hose clamp, and here, and put this one as well. Okay. So now before we even bother to start the engine, we need to prime the fuel pump. Okay. This double action pump, meaning pushing downwards is going to push diesel towards here, and you need to allow to for this to come up on its own, and that is going to suck in diesel from the fuel tank. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay, so I can feel the diesel getting inside the fuel filter housing. Okay, so it's getting more difficult to push down on that. That means fuel has already been pumped towards the fuel pump. Okay, let's start this and let's see. Reconnect the battery. So let's try and start the engine, and let's see. Fuel icon. Okay, went away, including the beeping sound. Okay, that's the way it's supposed to be. That's the dash cam, by the way. Okay, let me switch that on again. Beep only for a few seconds, goes away. Let's start the engine. One click. That's nice. Okay, so flashing disappears, which leaves us the problem of the airbag. At least one less problem to worry about. There's more. Okay, I still need to take care of this. As you can see, there's condensation inside this headlamp assembly, including here. It's even worse, so I need to take out the entire headlamp assembly. Need to buy a new air filter as well. And like I've said in the previous video, I need to replace the transmission oil as well as the differential oil. And say hello to my dog, Shiny. Shiny. But as for this video, okay, let's start the engine again. Went away, beeping sound is no more, it's gone. Okay, which leaves us that problem and a couple more. So I do believe I'll end this video here. I'm sorry if I'm gasping for air. I'm tired. I'm very tired. It's been more than 2 weeks and I'm still doing some cleanup, some arranging, some repairing. Okay, so I'm really sorry for that. But anyway, like I've said, I do believe I will end this video here. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you do, if you're new to my channel, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Okay, only if you want to, and stay tuned as I'll repair some more. Okay, thank you.